Graziano Trasmissioni. Graziano, former Graziano Trasmissioni, is an Italian company based in Turin manufacturing gearboxes, drivelines and their mechatronics components. It makes the Pre-Cog 7-speed seamless shift gearbox SSG dual-clutch transmission used in the McLaren 12C. Graziano is the world's largest supplier of precision gears and shafts for final reduction components within the agricultural and off-highway vehicle. The company is also known for supplying transmission and mechatronics for premium performance cars. Customers include McLaren, Ferrari, Lamborghini, Audi, Maserati, Alfa, Romeo and Aston Martin, while some Mercedes-AMG models use the Graziano Power Transfer Unit. Competitors are Germans ZF Friedrichshafen, Getrag and BorgWarner, which produce modules for the Volkswagen DSG gearbox. History. Graziano Trasmissioni was started in 1951 as a small family company with 15 employees by Carlo Graziano. In 1963, the company moved to its present headquarters in Casimbica. After 1981, the company's export activity increased progressively. The company then expanded, opening a factory in India in 1999, another in Suzhou, China in 2006, and a third in Červený Kostelec, Czech Republic, in 2006. In 2007, it merged with North American Fairfield, becoming Oerlikon Drive Systems, part of the Oerlikon Group. In March 2019, the Drive Systems segment of the Oerlikon Group, including the Graziano and Fairfield brands, was purchased by Dana Incorporated and have become product brands of the company. Applications. From 1996-1997 starts the cooperation with Ferrari. It developed and supplied the complete gearboxes for the Ferrari 360, 612 Scaglietti, Inzo, F430, 575 Marinello. The Lamborghini Aventador uses a single-clutch lightweight 7-speed automated manual gearbox built by Graziano. Despite being single-clutch, gear shifts are accomplished in fifths. The Gallardo and the first-generation Audi Ray used a mid-engine Graziano gearbox manual or automated manual versions. The DCT gearbox used in the Audi Ray was developed in partnership with Graziano. It is built and pre-tested at Graziano's Lucena plant in Italy before shipment to Volkswagen's Kassel plant in Germany, where the clutch and mechatronics modules are added. The finished transmission is then sent to Audi. The Aston Martin 177, Vantage S, Vantage Aston Martin DB9 and Maserati Gran Turismo Southeast rear transaxle gearboxes, while the Maserati Quattroporte and Coupe and Spider Trofeo Grand Sport and MT automated manual gearboxes. The 2014 McLaren 650S uses the second generation of the SSG, with revised software which improves shifting times by further 0.3s. Graziano supplies the 2020 Aston Martin Victor with its manual gearbox to handle its 614 lb at D of torque.